Good morning. Good morning to me. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, like I always do, that I want people to come on the live and do all that. Once I see you, I'm going to start. There's no need because I'm not going to beg anybody to come to classes. When I start doing that, they will not read anything I'm doing again. But I'm very certain that with what I've been doing on other social media platforms, with time, this channel will start growing. So, and when that starts, I know people that will still give preferential treatment to. And that is not because all that. I'm not all that. Like I always tell you guys, I am not all that. But once I'm doing something, I go all out and I do it. So, how was the weekend? Hope you enjoyed yourself. So, let's go straight to what we are here to do. Last week, Friday, something happened that I I for one did not like it because in other words, I'm not even at home, traveled, and I came on live and I waited for 30 minutes. Nobody joined the live before one person came, and it's still always the same people, the same people, the same people. So I don't know. I'll do a poll today. It's even too much. I'll do a poll. No, no need, no need, no need. Because I wouldn't want to start emptying the group. I don't know. But anyhow, and I wouldn't want to also start using giveaways to catch people, to entice people. No. I wouldn't want to start using giveaways to entice people. It's not a good thing to do and it's not realistic. So I'm not going to do that. But best believe that every time and time again, I will personally, I will be doing account giveaways, not online but offline, by knowing people that are constantly coming to live sessions, constantly coming to classes. I call it classes because it's not my own. It's for all of us. There's no problem to me. There's no problem. There's no problem. So I call it classes because it's not my own. We are all coming here to learn. We are all coming here to be part of what we are building. So if you are always coming to class, I'll DM you myself and give you an account. Last month, I did it like 6 people. And this month, you don't know who that person might be. And it does not mean that if I've given you before, I will not give you again. It's a lie. Once my mind say, counselor, do this, I'll still come back and look for people that are doing it and do it again for them. But the only reason I will not give you again is if you messed up the first time, there's no way I'll come and invest in you again. No. But if you are doing well, I'll come and invest in you with larger parts this time around. So we are growing. We're not coming here to come and laugh. No. This is the 6th month of the year already. This is the 6th month of the year already. You think the year is waiting for you? You think today is just January 1st? You're like already gone halfway. You are halfway already. You're gone halfway already. So why are you still relaxed? Why are you saying I'll do it tomorrow? Why are you procrastinating? Why are you coming down? Omo, you're a Nigerian in Nigeria and you are still taking your time. I've built something in the last 30 days and it is working for me. I'm building every day. I said I'm a trader and I like doing this thing because I'm lazy. I'm that. Bro, it's no longer like that. I figured out how to trade. I can now do trading very well. I'm now building something else apart from trading. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Yes, my plan A is trading, my plan B is trading, my plan C is trading. But what if it's not going to end? It's not going to stop. But do you know that being outside your chart makes you more profitable? Being outside your chart makes you more money. Analyzing your trades and leaving it to run makes you more profitable. Being outside makes you more money in trading. The people I know that I love so much, Kevin Talent, Dags, Kene, they all have something they're doing right now. Dags have a trading, a trading brand. And Kevin Talent is building houses everywhere, into real estate. Kene is now selling solars. They are doing something outside trading right now. So why do you want me to come and be doing trading every day and then stop to it? How much do I even have yet? These people I called now, they are billionaires already. In Naira, of course. They are millionaires in dollars. But they are no longer facing it alone. Yes, this place can give you all the money. But if you do it too much, you lose more because you're using money to chase money. So understand that trading is not the alpha and omega. Timmy here is a surveyor. He goes to work, he comes back from work, he trades, he makes money. So he didn't just say, I'm not going to be a surveyor again, I'm going to be trading alone. MJ is a student, he goes to school, he comes back, he sells gadgets, phones, and everything. He didn't just say, I'm going to be selling doing only trading. You have to find balance. You have to find a balance in everything you're doing. Because this trading needs money to give you money. It needs you're just like you're growing money, basically. But you have to make that money from somewhere else. You have a job that pays you. You have a business that pays you. So that profit you make from that business, you can afford the trading journey. So it's no longer go hard or go home. You're now growing. You're now scaling. I don't know why it's moving me like this morning. Normally, I don't talk like this on Mondays, but this is a new month. You have to think about where you've been since January. I've been with Timmy since January. I've been with MJ since I don't say last year. Let's just say from this year. You've been constantly coming to this life since this year. What have you taken out from this life? Just go back to your life and do your normal performance review for yourself. What have you achieved from January till now? It must not be money. Let me tell you, the friends I've made in the past 30 days, I've not made them in 5 years. When I mean friends from all walks of life, from Norway, from the US, from the UK, from Philippines, from like international connections that I've made. And guess what? I didn't make these friends all from trading. I didn't make these friends. Can you guys hear me? I didn't make these friends all from trading. I didn't make these friends from doing what I'm doing. I made these friends from other departments, from other jobs I'm doing, from other things entirely. Because how are you going to make friends from trading? But you're just stuck on your trading view, you are stuck on what you're doing. How will you connect with people? Do you think that dads will leave Nigeria and go to Qatar because he met someone from Telegram? No. Do you think Kevin Talent will leave here and go to South Africa because he met someone from Telegram? No, they connected first before they met. They connected first before they met. Yes, I've had private students that will go to their state and teach them that business. Once I'm not teaching you there, I'm out. I have people that I'm trading for my private account management and stuff like that. I don't meet nothing. I don't need to meet them. But before you close those million deals, hundreds of thousand deals, you have to create a connection first. Oyibo people are not moved by your money. They are not hungry. Their country works. Their economy is strong. Their currency is strong. They don't need you. Like, you're not all that. So they have to invest in the person first before the business. So can someone come out now and say that counselor, I'm looking for a trader. Who can you give me from your community who might help me and trade? Can I call your name and know that you can deliver? Can I call your name and know that you will not pour me spit in my eye? That is where it starts from. So right now, I'm building the counselor brand, not just my name. I'm building the counselor brand because if you go to Twitter and hear about counselor, it paints a picture to you. If you come to TikTok about counselor, picture to you. So to IG, counselor, something just when they hear your name, you stand for something, and then let it be something good. Let it be something good. Your life does not revolve around the chat. Your life should not revolve around the chat. So I don't know where I'm going through this morning, but then it's what it is. So let's go back to the chat. This week we are looking at USDJPY again, USD card again. Remember, I said that it's going to get to this block before it falls. But then remember, key levels. This is the key level from this breaker block. But breaker blocks have already been triggered. Why did it trigger? Because price went up. This is the breaker block key level. Price went up, broke it, and then came back and tapped and fell. So this key level has already been tapped. And I'm just in it now. This key level already been tapped. So now the next key level we're looking out for is this. And as you can see, price have tapped it, rejected, and fell. So what are we looking out for? Are we selling? Are we buying? Of course we are buying because the main structure is bullish. And look at where it's going to. This key level here. But you know that this thing cannot just blow out and then go like that, boom, straight forward. Imagine from here, just start going. No. So go back to your 1 hour time frame. But we're done with this already. So delete. So delete and go to your 1 hour time frame. So now what are you looking for? Of course, you're looking for a sell. But now even the sell have been have ETP because this is this thing here, the FVG. You saw it now. This is the FVG. The smallest FVG inside. That one did not trigger. This one did not trigger. But then the bigger one triggered this one, and then this is the TP, the TP. And then what are you looking for here? I don't really know. It is dicey right now. It is dicey. It is dicey. But I'm comfortable with sales. I'm comfortable with sales because on 4 hour time frame, this is your remove this. Where's your break of structure here? This is your break of structure 1, break of structure 2, break of structure 3, break of structure 4. So this is the first low taken out. Once this low gets taken out, then there's a problem. Like it's a short sell, but once this low gets this particular low, if it gets taken out, then there's a problem because I cannot call this a valid higher low. This one, but this one can be a valid. This one I want to take out. This one, if this one takes out, then we are selling. But I cannot even buy yet, so I will sit it out like this. If it breaks here, comes back, then we'll sell. I cannot even buy, so no need. I cannot buy. Nobody should push me to that one. I'm just here like this. I'm not buying, I'm not selling. And are you seeing something different from the chart? Let me know in the comments. If you're seeing something different from this chart I just showed you now, let me know in the comments. But for me, I'm not buying because we've gotten to that our key level, and it have sold from that key level and came back and then sold again from that key level. Look at it, it took it out, even though it's not, you don't take it out from with the body. It did with the body in lower time frame, because that's where this is where we enter from. Oh, okay, it didn't. It's just a sweep. It's a sweep. It's a sweep. Even though it's still a sweep on 15 minutes. It's still a sweep everywhere. It's still a sweep. Even if I want to buy among, no one stress me. Buy higher. This one will not break. If I want to buy, then I'm buying from here. Whoa, we touched it already. It's already touched it. We already touched it. The buy is from here. I already touched. So I'm not buying. Not buying. There's not that blockade that is good again. This one, break of structure. Where's liquidity? But that, no, I'm not buying. The only one I can buy from is from here. And that was on Friday. That was on Friday. I ain't buying. So let me keep it the way I kept it before. This is it. This is it. Anything you're seeing from the chat, let me know in the comments. Anything you're seeing differently, let me know in the comments. Anything you're seeing differently, let me know in the comments. MJ, you can hear me? Yes. So let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. So who is this? So there's nothing. There's nothing I'm seeing here. There's nothing I'm seeing here. Nothing. Nothing. So this is it for USD card. There's no other block valid inside here. But I forced it, and thank God that our TP hit before the price came back. So it's a missed trade. It's a missed trade. So now where are we going to? Price is still pushing up. Price is still pushing up. Even though where is it pushing up to? We don't know. This week, USD will buy. Next week it will sell. So let me go to 1 hour time frame for 5 minutes, and then let's know what we're looking at. Break of structure, liquidity, POI, or more. I didn't see anything important here. I didn't see anything here. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. I prefer this kind of other blocks than this one. I prefer this kind of other blocks than this one, because this one now sold, and then this one did not cover it back. But this one sold and this one covered it back, which means it's a bullish order block. I've already taught you guys in this house, in this place. I don't want to sound like someone. I already taught you guys on this live that how to mark out order blocks. If you are marking out a bullish order block, it must cover the sell before that bullish move. Look how this one covered it. Look how this one now. This one now, you're trying to buy, of course. Look at that sell in the inside, and the buy covered it. But look at this one. This sell happened, but this buy did not cover it. It used 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, before they can take it out. So if you want to take out other block, then it will be like this. Are you seeing it? This is the automatic order block. So not come and say no, it's like this, I'll mark it like this. It will take you out. It will take you out. So that's how to mark out order block. Mark it out well. This one is okay. This one is okay. Mark it out like that. Look at it. This one engulfed it. Look at this one. That's why it failed. Look at it. What's this? That's why it failed. But look at this one now. This cell engulfed by this guy. Look at it. It touched. It touched it. Are you seeing it? So learn how to mark out other blocks nicely. Learn it nicely. You will not die. Learn it, learn it, learn it, please. Learn it. So for you, for GU, I don't know what I'm doing. No, nothing. It's already triggered because using this one, it's already triggered. I beg. It's already triggered. It's already triggered. If I want to do anything here, it will be crazy. But then let's see. It will be crazy. Let's see. And then it should be like this. I don't press spoil. From here, this place here. It should be here. Then this is the liquidity, and then this is the entry. So this is the only thing I'm sending for you guys today. 1:3. Boom. Yeah. So this is the only one I have, because something like this happened. So bring it down. Yeah, here. So this is what I'm sending for you guys today. And I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll send it to my group server. They'll take it. 1:3. Yeah. So go to your high time frame. Where is it headed? It should be at least to this place. So 1:3 here, and then 1:5. 1:4 here. So you get, so that is it. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour I don't even show. First 5 minutes it showed. 30 minutes is now better. No, first 5 is better. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, it's better. So let's see how it goes. GBP USD, guys. GBP USD, your me sound like Ukocha Chaos. Ukocha. GBP USD, your. So the next one is what is it called? Let me type it first. GU bias. GU by. So the next one is USDJPY. USDJPY. Who is this? Who is this? MJ, please don't do it again. Don't do it again, I beg. Don't do it again. I don't like it. You don't come here and tell me what to analyze. Please don't do it again. I ask you questions before you answer. And I'll tell you, do you want me to analyze any pair for you? Drop it in the chat. Don't come and drop any pair for me, I beg. Don't do it again. You're not a new student here. You're not new on this place. So don't do like a new person. I beg. Don't do it again. Thank you. So on USDJPY, we had this buy last 2 weeks, somewhere here. It missed us by this. And then last week, we had this one here. And then this was on something that opened and didn't come back. And I still think that this place will be respected. So for this week, I am sitting it out. Why did I remove it? No. I am sitting it out because liquidity must be swept, whether you like it or not. Liquidity must be swept. So for the fact that I have missed us twice does not mean we now start going up and start catching the buys from the top. For example, now catching a buy, where is the break of structure? Break of structure, liquidity. You're now catching a buy from. There's no other block here, sir. Let me use 1 hour. Okay, yes. There's another block here. There's another block here. There's this one here. And as you can see it, you caught it very well, and then it took you out. It took you out. And then you now want to go and buy again. You start taking you out again. So I wouldn't want to do something like that. But should I take this risk? We are already up. This is a new month, so we are up for last month on the channel. So we can take a risk. Break of structure, liquidity. This POI is not POI. This one here is much better. but then I'm covering all the legs. I'm covering this place because this is a sweep that happened. It's a sweep that happened on Friday night. So I'm covering it today. So buy from here and then SL somewhere here. If here is more than 3 hours, we're done. It's 2.6. Oh shit, it's not good. It's not good. At least it should be 3 hours. But then remember, this is a low pro trade. It's a low pro trade. Yes, we know that it's bullish. We know. But all these things here are going to be respected. Someday they're going to be respected. Look at them. Once it breaks, Utilo, once it breaks, we are going downhill. So, but then it's still going to look out for this place. So let's keep looking. So let me just put this one out there first before people that didn't join this life come and say that we chop SL. Just know the view first. Just know the view first. UJ H4 view. Before you see me drop my trade, you come and tell me that this one, that one. So this is the H4 view first. Notice that if once you break this place, we are going downhill. But then this one is not a bad place to buy from as a Monday bias. UJ by bias. And then finally, UJ, understand me, Abi? I'm not changing it for you. No. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. It's not. Like I said, we are a house of honor. We respect everybody. But don't come and disrespect me and want me to come and clap for you. So it's not that deep. It's not that deep, my bro. Not that deep. So the last one is GBP card. Remember, GBP card has been giving us back to back, giving us back to back. MJ, if you remember, you called this buy. I had this buy, and then MJ called this buy. And this buy took us 3 weeks from the 17th of April till the 8th of May to give us how many hours? 1:2.5. And then it came back. And then when it's coming back, I'm like, for the fact that it don't really reach here, maybe to come back here and give us 3 hours, which he did. He came back and gave us 3 hours. And then next week again, Monday open here. And I'm like, probably to come back and continue giving us our till this place. But that one got to 1:1.5 and returned and chop our stop loss. And price came back to the place I said it's going to come. If you remember, MJ, you were here that time. Price came back to that place and gave us a decent 3 hour. So this was happening on this 3 hour, 3.1 hour before price reversed. So once you have liquidity lying below your trades, just know that it will come and take it. Maybe not today, but it will come. Maybe not today, not tomorrow, not next week, but it will come. Look at it. I said it that time. This thing here, it is going to hunt people down. What did he do? He didn't just come and hunt it down immediately. He took his time. And then he even bought. And then came down, took out everybody. And then boom. 3 hours given. So has been cooking us. What we've been cooking too, because we cooked it. Like we cooked it. Look at it. We cooked on this guy. And now he wants to cook us. But even if it's cooking us, but we're still chopping money. 2.5 hour here, 3 hour here, 3 hour here, minus 1 hour here, 3 hour here, minus 1 hour here. So what are we now looking out for on this pair? What are we looking out for on this pair? Hold on, my phone is ringing. So, having said that, are we buying? Are we still bullish on this guy? According to our key levels, we are pretty bullish. This is our last higher high. This is our last higher low. This one did not break this higher high. And this one still becomes the higher low. Because remember, this is the higher high. This is the higher low. This is the higher high. Let's do small, small. This one is the change of market structure. MSS, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Took out the first low, took out this first low, and triggered this one that caused that first higher high and is above. So now we have to take out this low and this low to be bearish. The phone rang, go. Take out this low and this low to be bearish. So what does that mean to you? We are still bullish. I think it's big baby. Not that one, the big iPhone. Your mom is a big baby? Video call. Something is up. Yes. So back to 1 hour, what we're looking out for. This one is dicey. It's dicey. What happened here is what we call, it's not even choppy. Yeah, it's choppy. It's choppy. Because it went up, went down, break of structure below. Went up, went down, below. Came up again, took out this high. So this guy is there, obviously ranging. And remember what happened before. Remember what happened before in this place. What happened before when we took a buy from this place. I don't want it to happen again. I don't want it to happen again. So what are we going to do? We are going to sit it out. 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 Sit on your hands. We have this guy is obviously a bullish, but you want to come and take out people. Either take out people to start buying from. Let me get a very good order block. A very good order block. A very good order block. No good order block here. This one day already triggered. This one already triggered. This other block here already been triggered. Already been triggered. This one is not good because there's no break of structure. This break of structure here. This one is good, but is good. But the one I love is this one. So if it breaks, it's coming down to these places. But I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. So let's just, if it breaks this high, it gives me peace to break this high. If you break this high, it gives me peace. Yes, this high is what I want it to break. Once it breaks this high, it gives me peace. And I'll say this thing, if anybody knows how I can go live on TikTok and be sharing this thing like this, I can. I have a streaming platform but that one takes I'll learn it this week though, because I want to be doing this on live so people can see what I'm doing. And I've asked people, they said I can do it. So I think I'll do that from next week. Or even if I figure it out on time, I'll do it on Friday. So for this guy, I am what? I am still bullish, but make these manipulations stop. Make this range stop. Once this range stops, we'll go. So I don't know what's happening. Let me just remove it. This is purely a range. So make the range. Once it breaks out, we'll start. But for now, let's keep it the way it is. So that is how it is for what's pair this again? GC. That's what it is on GC. And on the first one, USD card, what did we say? We said on 4 hour time frame. This is what we're looking out for on USD card. So because MJ is one of us, GC, UJ. Okay. Because MJ is one of us, we are a community that we correct people with love. We don't despise you. We correct you with love. So I will look at his trade for him. He said GJ but that is not going to make it the right thing to do. You can tell us to check out your pairs when we say it, when I say it. When we chose our trading watch list, everybody here contributed. Am I wrong, Timmy? Even MG, am I wrong? Everybody here contributed. When we removed GJ from our trading watch list, everybody contributed to it. So coming here to come and tell us do this, do that, you are coming to mess up what we've created. We are not coming here to come and get a trade every week, every day. No. We are coming here to tell you that if you stick to 3 pairs, 2 pairs, 1 pair for the whole year, you will be profitable. You will be profitable. But when you start running from UJ to GJ to USD card to BTC to Ethereum to this to that, you're not going to make money at the end of the day. You can still do it and make money, but you have to be psychologically sound and disciplined to be all over the pairs and make money. So me going to check this thing out for you does not make it right. Just don't get me wrong. Me going to check out GJ for you does not make it wrong. I'll be right. I'm doing it because you have been a part of us and you know that that's not what we do. So I'm going to do it. And we already passed our time. Let me do it fast. I'm not going to add it to my watch list though. I'm not adding it. I'll just type it and look for it. I'm not going to add it. I'm not adding. I'll remove it later. I'm not adding it. I'll remove it later. The same thing that happens on this pair is happening on this pair. Just look the two. Just look with your head. Look the two. Just look the two. Look this one now. This is USDJPY. Then this is USD card. Just look the two. Are they the same or not? Just tell me in the chat. MJ, answer this question yourself. MJ, answer this question yourself. Are they the same or not? Just look at the two. Answer this question in your head. Not in your head. On the chat. Let me see it. On the chat, let me see it. Answer. Thank you. They are the same. So why do you want to find a buy entry here and then chop SL, and then find another buy entry here and then chop SL? I've talked to you guys about pair correlation. Pair correlation. Silver and gold move the same way. GBP and Euro USD move the same way. USD card and GGA move the same way. Sorry, USD JPY and GBP card move the same. GBP JPY move the same way. So why do you have to add all of them on your trading list? Just because you want to feel something. What are you feeling? Do you understand it? What is MBL? What is MBL? Timmy, I see you. I see you. No, I want you to answer it with his mouth. I want me to use your hand and answer him. Maybe like say at the chat forum. Just use your hand and answer it. What is MBL? I don't like abbreviations. You should know by now. No be lie. Hi, Jesus Christ. So, having said that, let's analyze it for you because you called it the same thing. This guy dumped here because of news and obviously respected this demand here and is buying. For the fact that he broke out from this top, it means he's now bullish. He broke out from this 4 hour time frame, broke out from this top, is now bullish. But so when I want to buy from somewhere lower for 5 minutes and check around way somewhere lower. There's nowhere lower because it is news. It's all weeks. It's all weeks. There's nowhere lower. Even if you try to buy from here, because this is the lowest point you saw it from, SL has been chopped because this is a break of structure here. SL has been chopped. So now you're looking for another break again. Now it's another break. This is the break of structure here, and price is somewhere there. So that break of structure that happened here, your liquidity or whatever, if you put it here, which you most likely do, you chop SL because you don't know, you chop SL. But when you put your entry here, it's still here, you chop SL, knowing that there are wicks below this. There are wicks below this. So you chop SL. And you that MJ that I know, you like tight stop loss. You like tight stop loss, make it snipe. So now the only place you can do and get money off is break of structure from here, break, and then comes back here, and boom. So your entry is somewhere here. But the point is now is it is missed because this is the other block here. Boom, it's missed. So what do you now do? You feel frustrated, you are mad, you are angry, you go down to the lower time frame, look for it again, try to what did I get wrong? Nothing, you didn't get anything wrong. 30 minutes, it's still the same place. So it is missed, it is missed. It is missed, it is missed. So what do you do now? Another break of structure here. Where's my liquidity? Anyone that happened here? Let me try and know if I can buy from this breaker block. And missed. You keep going. Another break of structure here. Where's your liquidity? There's no liquidity. So I don't want to force anything. Don't force anything. Don't force anything. Are you seeing that the price action here with what we trade is going to be hard? Your price action here with what we trade, it is difficult. What we trade is what? Simple price action, simple SMC, simple structure, liquidity, POI. Simple structure, liquidity, POI. I want to write it. Why am I not writing? I'm not writing it again. Simple structure, liquidity, POI. Look at, see the price action. See the price action. The one you got, you can't even buy this one because of course it's not right. You can buy it, break of structure, all this in here, liquidity. And now you now say, let me use this because this one now did not mitigate this one. So coming on this one. So you got entry here. And now this place, there's no POI for you. There's no other block for you to buy. It's somewhere around here. And you cannot buy it unless you don't have sense. Because this long candle here is a week. So unless you're covering all these places or wait for confirmation, once price comes into this place, you're looking to buy for confirmation from the 50 minutes time frame. Sorry, from the 50 minutes, 50 psychological level, which is from the middle. And once price comes inside this place, start looking for your buy, and then you can buy from it. And then from this place again, you cannot buy from here because you have these things below it. You cannot do the same thing again. I want to buy from this region, 50 minute, 50 psychological level. If price comes into this place, I will buy. It did not come inside, you will not buy. So now you're adding more stress to your head than just leaving the pair entirely to rest. Just leave the pair entirely to rest. At the end of the day, you know do anything. Because the same USD JPY, the same thing. This one came down, it gave you something that you can see. This one came up again, gave you something that you can see. In this particular place, it's not that this one is all these things here are fake out. You cannot come and buy from here. You chop SL. So you covered all the liquidity and left it and went to the extreme that once price takes out all these lows, you tap here and take you. But guess what? It missed. Nobody died. And then this one again, this is a pure sweep of liquidity. Where sweep happens, price tends to move to that direction to take it out. But now you never take them out. You're now hoping that price will come back a little bit, tap you, and then go. But if it hits TP again, no problem. It's a mist. Nobody died. So I understand. I hope that you understand me, NJ. So we're done for today. Let's check out. This is a new month. So go back to your calendar. Go back to your trading history. What are you doing wrong? How can you work on it? How can you be better what you're doing? And then what are the news we have for the week? always check them out. The news you have for the week, always check them out, because you cannot be trading without having the mind of psychology, the mind of fundamentals. Yes, fundamental help technicals, but just know that it is happening. Just have an idea that's happening. You know that every first Friday of the month is NFP. Every first Wednesday of the month is CPI. Every first one of the month is this, is that, is that. So know those things in your head, not because it makes any difference, but for you to just know that at this time, this is going to happen. Will I be in the market at this time? I don't know. But let me just know that this is going to happen at this time. So let me be careful with my open positions. That is all. It doesn't make you a bad trader. Do you understand me? It doesn't make you a bad trader. It doesn't make you a this, a that. No. But it helps you make informed decisions on your positions that you already have opened. So don't say that I don't trade news, not concern me and news. It does, my bro. Unless you're a swing trader. But if you're a day trader, it does. It has everything to do with your trading. Because a day trader, one simple move can take you out. One simple bad move can take you out, and you will lose your position. So it is good to hit SL because you hit SL, than to hit SL because you are being ignorant of the news. So don't be that person. Don't be that person. So on Monday, 1st of June 2026, we have Euro news, which has already been passed. On the New York session, we have ISM manufacturing PMI. This is not strong. On Tuesday, New York session, we have CPI for Euro. And then we have job openings for New York sessions. This one is not strong. On Wednesday, we have, on the 3rd of June 2026, we have ADP employment change, Fed speech, and PMI again. This one is not strong. On Thursday, we have nothing on USD. Let me be sure. Jobless claims on Thursday, I beg. Jobless claims is kind of strong. Oh. Jobless claims at 1:30 p.m. New York time. Jobless claims on Thursday. And on Friday, drum rolls, non-farm payroll, NFP. Every first Friday of the month, it's NFP. NFP for the month prior, for the month before. NFP for May, participation rates, non-farm payrolls, manufacturing payrolls, unemployment, what am I saying? Unemployment rates, government payrolls, average hourly earnings, U6 unemployment rate. That is all on Friday. So no matter what you're doing, make sure that before 1:30 p.m. you're already close to your TP, or you're not on any trade. Let me say it again. Before Friday, 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon Nigerian time, make sure you are already close to your take profit, or you are not in any position. Thank you very much for coming to my TED Talk. Thank you, MJ. Thank you, most welcome, Timmy, for always being here. MJ, they try, but if they come today, they come tomorrow. We just there off and on. But then Timmy comes every time. Thank you very much for doing that. And like I always do, I'll keep appreciating people that come to life, come to learn, come to do anything. And now you will go ask me questions. I'll do it for you because you've been a coming flag carrying member of the Counselor brand, even whether from a 1 follower to 100 followers to whatever we are building now. You've been here. So thank you. And make sure you've liked the video, make sure you liked, make sure you share, make sure you inviting people that want to be where you are by trading wise. Make sure you are doing all that. And then see you on Friday for us to analyze what we've learned. analyze what we've review what we've already analyzed, so that we can keep getting better every day. Keep getting better every day. You don't have to pay me for mentorships, but if you're coming to class for the past January, February, March, April, May, if you've been coming to sections every day, every Monday and Friday since January till today, that's enough mentorship. My mentorship is only 3 months, but you've been coming here for the past 5 months. Timmy has been coming here for the past 1 year. So that is mentorship already. But the point is, you just want to take it easy. You want to do it the best way. You want to take your time. You are procrastinating. You don't have time. It's barely 1 hour. You don't have it. And you want to be profitable in trading. I don't know how that works. Thank you very much for coming, and have a prosperous week. Thank you.